G'day folks, the friendly team at Outback Boat Hire have bought their 6 metre plate boat in to replace what could have been a disaster. I've made an aluminium plate and I've also pressed in some stainless steel tubes on the inside of it so this will not happen again. Okay, I'm just going to do a quick video on cutting this off and replacing it with the new one, and I'll go through the processes of it. First of all, I need to cut the old one off. I'm just using my air saw with a multi-cutter wheel. Once I cut it off and clean it up, and you know me, I'm always banging on about how good Cubitron wheels are. This one looks buggered. Not sure if you can see that, but all the edges have gone, but this thing still works a treat. I'm going to clean it up first. Okay, so I've cut the old one off, I've cleaned it up, and I want to place the new one in the right spot. And in the right spot's very important because when you pull the boat in with winch, you want this to sit underneath the winch so that the boat can't rock. You want the winch roller to sit in here. Okay, so that the boat can't rock up and down because the winch roller is going to hold it in place. And that part is very important. So we're going to put this back on. The old one was in the right spot, but now we've lost where the old one was. Square it up. have it. Welded on. Let's see if it works, shall we? What do you reckon of that? I won't bring it into the roller because it's still red hot. Well, it's not even red hot, white hot. But well, that was quite successful. If you want to watch more, jump on board, subscribe now. These are some of the repairs that I do in the shop, as well as modifications. Keeping these boats, which is a hire boat on the water, is utmost important for the client, as that's their bread and butter. So we try to get them in and out as soon as we can. And I look after these guys. They're very good customers of mine. Outback Boat Hire. So if you ever come to the territory and you're looking for a boat to hire, these are the guys. Tell them you saw the bloke on YouTube. They'll give you a discount. They don't know that, but they will. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. And again, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do. And watch some of my videos, some previous videos. I've actually just had the most successful video. It was building the gunnels on the little tinny. Great video, lots of people liked it. Have a look at that one too, mate. Have a good day, everybody, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.